Baba say man no give anybody money.
Who be Baba now?
My native doctor.
God have mercy upon us.
I just seem for buy one cucumber now. Cause this woman no go agree.
9-4. Which one is
Hey guys, this is how I planned on pranking a corn seller. These two guys here are my guys, actually they're my accomplices, so I sent them to act like they are pricing the corn. So I have to park my car well. You guys should watch till the end of this video and don't forget to like, comment and share to your friends.
And I remember now this one I won't buy.
Good afternoon. Well, how much?
Which one?
This one.
150.
150. This. Also sweet, Abi?
No, not fresh corn.
Okay.
Very sweet.
Okay. No one.
So guys, this is me buying the corn. So the woman had to wrap it in. All my guys were playing safe, as you can see. And then the woman gave me the corn and I decided to walk out to see if she would call me back to ask me for money. But she didn't call me back, so I was like, okay, let me try and enter inside my car and see if I'll get her attention. So this is me entering inside my car. But the woman, maybe she was thinking I want to park well. That's why she didn't call me. So I decided to move to draw her attention. But the woman didn't still get to see me, so I had to honk my horn to draw her attention, and that's when she came to I call her money.
What's happen?
Money.
Money? For what?
For corn, they never give me money.
No. Baba say me I no pay anybody money.
Who be Baba?
Huh?
Who be Baba?
Since why they come from here, they buy something. Nobody don't collect money.
This thing done the bond,
No,
man.
I beg.
You dey hear me?
Make you pay now. What this up? Now medicine.
Baba say man no give anybody money.
Who be Baba now?
My native doctor.
My Baba.
Oh.
No, give me money. Because my Baba give me money, why I carry go my money?
I know they pay. Oh.
I don't want
Give me my
peace.
corn now.
No. Look at come down.
I want problems always. What's up, one?
You say you know they pay. Baba say make you buy something, make you no pay.
I say send your customer.
I say send a customer.
What did you say?
Give me money now.
I know they pay.
How?
Since why they come, as I buy for myself, I don't pay.
Buy for.
I know they pay. My Baba say I don't give anybody money.
Who be your Baba? I
My
know
native doctor.
your native doctor. Now your native give me money. Why I carry go market? Wait, if you buy something.
I know they pay. I know they pay anybody money. I know they pay. I know they pay. Wetin concern una? Why they put mouth for wetin no concern you?
Okay, I know they say when they put my
You go give am money for corn now. You buy
I
the
don't pay anything. I know they pay
I
anybody.
don't know where they sell them. Nah, they like all the time. But make
Okay, I know they put mouth for wetin no concern you.
una go carry big car dey waka around. You no go pay for corn. You wan
one.
disgrace yourself. Say who dey fear Baba?
I know they pay.
Did I call you to come? No, be you come.
Up to now, never the honor.
I go deal with you.
You know na come there
I want problems always. God have mercy upon us.
Don't run! Put it there! Don't run! Hey!
Come, la Frank, come, la Frank, come.
Omo, this woman actually left her child here and ran away. Oh. This is unbelievable.
Come, la Frank, come.
I'm good there too.
You are probably the one.
No, my camera.
You leave your beginner.
Go take your call,